Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 2 power x equal 4 power 12 plus 4 power 12 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this is an interesting exponential problem. So first write the equation. Now we can take this 4 power 12 that is repeating twice. So we'll take common. So what is left? 1 plus 1. Now 2 power x equal 4 power 12 times 2 we can write. Now what we notice that on our left hand side and right hand side there is 2 and there is 4. 4 we can convert in terms of 2, right? So everything has same base. So 4 I can write 2 square whole power 12 times 2. Now I'm going to use the famous exponent rule, that is x power m power n. We can write it as x power mn. So this 2 power x equal, this becomes 2 power 2 times 12 times 2. Now 2 power x equal 2 power 24 times 2 power 1. So now we can write the another exponent rule, that is x power m times x power n. That means if the base are equal and there is difference in different power, so we can write the base 1 and add the power. So it becomes 2 power x equal 2 power 24 plus 1. So 2 power x equal 2 power 25. Now on comparing, the value of x is, comment down below if you already crack it. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So this is our final answer, that is 25. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.